Hi there, I'm Heather with WTI. I have waited over a year to show you something. It's the salt block. I want to show you how we keep the deer coming to visit us. It's the Himalayan secret. It's compressed salt lick, good for all livestock and any animals really, but it really brings our deer. And what's really cool about this is not just that it's a salt lick for them, but as it dissolves into the tree and the ground around it, it encourages rooting so that the deer can get the minerals that they need. So this is what's left after a whole year. I think that's pretty good. I will show you a progression of what it looks like when it first showed up. My favorite thing about this is it keeps the deer coming, obviously, but really easy to just order and have it arrive. We've been very happy with this brand. It's kind of amazing every year to see who shows up. If you're also looking to get the deer to show up, just like I was, get a salt block. They're sure to come. That's my point of view.